Where is Mrs. Right? I gotta find her.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So y'all, this video almost became a fail, but it actually turned out really nice. I tried to recreate this, and you guys are gonna see why it was a fail, but thanks to BetterLength, I was able to turn it into something that wasn't a flop. Cause like, y'all are gonna see in the video how bad I flopped. But speaking of BetterLength, if you like this pony, definitely check out the my description box below. I always be like description box. Definitely check out my description box below and use my promo code for $5 off this amazing ponytail, or actually I think any of their stuff. So yeah, definitely get at BetterLength. Check their site out. They have more than just ponies. They have U-part wigs. I'm stuck on the pony. Clip-ins, they're very known for their clip-ins. I've used their clip-ins before. Definitely check out my videos prior to this one because the clip-ins definitely, the clip-ins were giving life, but this pony is giving fullness. Is giving fullness. But thank you guys. Keep watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and let's go. Okay, let's get right into it. So y'all, my hair is finally the right length for me to have a sling. Is it? Oh gosh, I hope it is. Hold on, before I even say anything, hold on. Let me make sure. Cause girl, you but I want this hairstyle so bad. That's enough, right? That's enough, y'all. I might want to extend it though. At least for like something like this. And then yeah, right? We just gonna have faith, trust God. So I'm just gonna section this off. Yeah, this might be a fail, and I don't think today is the day for me to try anything new, honestly. Like, I'm over here filming another whole video. I'm trying to like stretch it. Okay, so while that is stretching, let's mold, okay? But before we even mold, y'all already know, about to go in with these baby hairs. Y'all, I've been loving this edge control that I have. Like, it's been really a lifesaver. And if you don't know what edge control I'm talking about, of course you're gonna see it in this video. But definitely be sure to check out my other video because, yeah, I got the details. But okay, let's get into it. Y'all, I never seem to get a thumbnail of the before, so we about to thumbnail this out. I'ma just screenshot a couple of pictures because yeah, I suck with the thumbnails before. Like the way I transform, I was gonna say transformation, but it didn't work. The way I transform this into what y'all see is magic. Like y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but it's magical, okay? Because this should not be able to transform the way it does, but okay, so. I keep forgetting I have a like alfalfa right here. I look like a unicorn. But okay, yeah, that's the thumbnail. Hold on. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm doing better and better with my, you see, right when I start talking, I start seeing flaws. But yeah, I'm doing better and better with my edges. But okay, so now I'm gonna comb out these curls just to make my hair, of course, a lot bigger. So when I'm molding, it's no issues, you know? Now let's get to molding. I swear molding is my favorite. So of course, we start with the foam. Foam will be a choice. I usually get the cheapest one, not even gonna lie to y'all. There's no method into my foam. It's literally just cheapest option. And I don't even think this was cheap. I don't even remember buying this actually. I don't think I bought it. Somebody else probably bought it. And I took it. More than likely my mom. Okay, yeah. Ooh. Mold that down, mold this down, and then mold this up. Definitely the back. Y'all, the back be acting like it don't want to stay. And foremost, I'm gonna use my Eco Styler, the clear one, on the back. So now we're going in with my Gots to Be. If y'all know, I just threw away a lot of this. Well, a lot of empty bottles of this, so a little extra. We're gonna go with that Shining Jam. A little extra. Put a little in it. Y'all knew exactly where I was going first. Cause they ain't playing with me. That's when I lose control. When you put a little in it. Start squeezing and you won't let go. When you put a little in it. Keep telling me how much you love me. Okay. And now for the swoop. Okay, so for the swoop, it's like I want to take it in sections, but I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't even think I'm gonna put all this extra product on it. I think I only want to work with my Gots to Be, honestly. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna use the Gots to Be, and at least mold this first. This part. I'm gonna definitely mold the bottom, but I just need this to be as sleeky as possible, cause I'm my GG. My hair better be long enough for this swoop, y'all. I swear. Cause if it's not, I'm gonna cry. And I'm just letting y'all know right now, I will cry on this here YouTube. Cause look at them curls though. We don't want the curls, but we'll appreciate them. Let's do layers. Y'all, I'm scared. Why did I decide to do this right now? I don't know. I don't know. I'm really rethinking my decision, but I can't, you know? Like, I committed to doing this. I committed to doing this in my head, so I'm gonna carry my vision out all the way. Okay, Shawn done. We're gonna put a bobby in there for good measure, okay? Okay. Woo! Good thing that's the base. But we still got like, okay. We gonna do this little by little, okay? Cause change plans. I'm doing a low bang. Cause I'm not understanding why my swoop doesn't want to. It doesn't want to work. So yeah, I'm doing a low bun. Hopefully my hair is okay with the manipulation I'm about to put it through and doesn't get sad. My hair is tired of me being indecisive. Let's just start there. Like, so tired of me being indecisive. Ooh, okay. But yeah, let's just speed through this. Y'all already know how I'm slicking everything down, so let's go. Okay, yeah, I don't know what made me think I could do that, but yeah, never again. At least until my hair gets longer. But okay, so I have the little slicky slick. Who wants to act all crazy? I got the little slicky slick. At least it's still like, you know. And now I'm about to use my BetterLength ponytail. I love this freaking ponytail, y'all. Like, it makes life so much easier. Like, I've literally been being lazy with my hair. Except for when I film, but like, it's really like a go-to. I feel so pretty. Okay. So of course, bring it around town. And then bring this around town. Drop your hand. And then we are done. This is curling up. Oh my Gigi. Can I put this right here? Like, would it be, is it too big? Okay. Well, not like that. I tried. Hold on. How do the girlies like clip this, you know? Have you ever seen like a clip? I'm actually feeling it more. Like, it's not sleeky sleek, but it's like giving that curl effect. See, I be feeling myself, and now I gotta do a little extra, but it's okay. Cause this little piece went to the market. Oh, this one. And we are done. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I turned something tragic into something beautiful, and I'm happy about it. So yay. Keep watching, and make sure if you like what you see, if you like this, y'all know y'all want this pony. Y'all know. Check my promo code below. And yeah, shop with BetterLength.